just say the celebration and said no and some and guest casting Jasania you can say guest casting no you say akutia bia enim niura enti our dia semana akwa adamano our bro bia tiri basa someway and some Adran Rabio and some essence no and a comment fa kwada yi ho anya kwada yi de na mama one ne papa so preach na no piano wam some amaki post our IG na me kan na no press enra wa bre ko ba say papa e post in bana and also post one kasa no na chesa asema papa ne kan nyina no and say as a father as a person what that on one kasa ne bana your friend don say papa no what the don e dia so ne bana tin so enti akodan no and some aye don Lamin Jamal what that say one win and say enwa was dancing mo now papa ne any abusu no wo mo juo me na du ba bi na chese wo mo some aye emotional atem kan sanwa na chese bi kra atini so sansa go na kwada ne hye no amafo sha say hima wo ansem ade guru so and o ya kwata ana denden enche bia ya hu bi pan e bi kra kan no mo de e bi ansu fati dia ba bewrom no mo de buanka ka chimo dia no ansem ajaban ya dia na deminya no say papa ne post ansu anie ana no pen wo say what da ne nyankopon ansem ase na do kan nyina no say wa bra no ba no ansem aka na chese ma o man ya ye fa no say Spain a qualify ansem ade confine on nyina no na chese man ne say wonom ada ne nyankopon ansu ase a enom aye update aba na ye bu so say anyabia no age 16 wa wotemin ka ana no penas wonya mfia dunsia na o ye dan aha na wo say dan na uko totai okay nje uko kunoma mama matemu ate enwa sikata so a na enwa no ho saa tse masa 16 na ye shark 16 awa buakwa ane ne important na ye dai na kwasu projecting yoma atom asori dama su katawani men kata na chese omo koto collection won't be sansa when ate machines achim na ye deminya no sen womo say akwatawe influencer wenya ana chese di akwatawe asom aye decisive atama aye big matches age 16 o nyame yarama Saturday obenya 17 womo di akwada no compare aye grace aba ebi atiase ebi akwomo krachi na domo kan nyina no say emno bi yatwam owura fa no so Pele age 17 abesen ko World Cup and watch Mbappe womo kwa at 17 adempa ana abakasa bia Pele enya 17 no woye Mbappe enya 17 woye anu ye question number 1 and what question number 2 womo say Leo Messi kraba be gani ni a ye kan say influence some abo born mu no now Leo Messi any 16 now Leo Messi any 17 na mu no now Leo Messi 18 years going on 19 and a kaba say Leo and some start say okay kan ho and some adiama bonsa team no and what wa bro kaba say wo fan 19 years and so owura fan say Ronaldo and some starters Obalam light now our 19 years and watch Ronaldo Nazario and some age 19 Diagramanto Maradona and some 19 Isabio 19 Ana Rivera and some 19 tina Sakwadawe our 16 years and Akwadanum adas aya Juma Tisaya na enya bibia so chesa Akwadano and some amadabo adan so sansa wamutiri e ba sa wo hwe aya football and some abakosema akwada bianwo just a 70 influencer akwada enya our 16 no anu some atiminya bi e wa bra no and some update aba na ma ye bobo ni dia na mama kai owura farisa Zafi wo kas aye Zafi na ma ye ho akwada yi na obom adama pass akwada team and Zafi si akwada no wo mesia kan from ayam panifo na jaka ni nyina aye story for fra am some wiase nyina so ani and some na sentrini na ye farisa yourself padrio wasi do beso kan nyina no say nam say anyoma ekoye at the Emma Spain national team anyoma ekokama and some adama ayo boy na was what did you say qualification ma qualifying nyina no aye Zavi anso enkunim die and now anyoma ekokama adama na shatiri nyina no baby Zavi ewo bia ontie nam ontie na so pam say wonom ana ma ye hu akwata bia ye father say Lamin Jamal wonom ana ma akwada ni playing time ama na me no kasa boy no wa brought in the conference amanyoma so kokama and some some adamana who some no yet aban yabisa kotana your father say Rodri say and then Netherlands and England and yabiano who be amunya and friend and kamope what say England I qualify what say Netherlands I qualify Rodri or say when the preference I was a match anymore will be about qualify babiano I'm say Spain am I know woman some I ready yentia ora your father say Rodri.
It's gonna be, I don't have a preference to be honest. The opponent whatever it is gonna be tough because it's gonna be in the final, so whatever it is gonna be tough. We have to focus on ourselves, try to recover the people, try to recover the legs, and yeah, be focused on the last game that is gonna be a big battle, of course. I don't have
yes, now just no I am some branch fans Rodri and I'll tell you your dinner excepts and my for and so I don't pay our branch media fans full time live on Sompa 93.1 FM our Facebook and our TV in Nano your day update in the app and on him say woman is one airport coach now your fans said Didier the show as Meno Casa and Nano in Pompey and some somebody to Gano what Casamon Konamukobusa coach and now the Amman for the blame I'm a big crowd. Say one she and be a federation woman abasaki coach your father said Didier the show ama chesora your father said Zinedine Zidane ababe fajuma sansa woman Didier basanye se be a qualification keke bon nankasa woman France man boy our tournament in chese na sabi a time cry France ampa would wama kwachi World Cup young ball am boy the last year Euros na disastrous and what and where yamasa kwako film a chese coach nam say on front and see form now okay say 2 days ago and a better gasam oko kampa wabra me catch out beginning of the tournament and I be say Spain baby omote baby omo lodge no so omo be bola omo for flight I am more than 3 hours and sana Spain akwa drew omo venue sana omo ni omo ye aboa e ma concentrate won ben kromanya fe na I saw tani bi ni o and I just ye tin ye the sweet bay and I masa yania bre a chesen kotai won babo go bi omu tukwan on babo bi omu tukwan na yese France one dey beto da be 2 days ago say yesem udu France omu camper he coach ni jawo bi apemano boys him atimi bo PlayStation dey can say be a TV game no e be a PS5 v womu ba ma no ba ma che be dumienu na boys nem da so bo game na say and ye Dembele e wo masa odim say boys ni na kra ana sanka be a team bia munyina mo kabom muko didi sebia muko lunch ana sebia muko dinner yeseve mo ama munyina muko tena se na moto sa didi ama nyoma ye kama no yesem amanya ne sa obekọ we didi we ada akom doa no asore no akwakwate waduane am yesesa nneoma wosan keka aye boys nim abom ni nyina no manager na amfa na ensi from na me no kasai yesem amakwatwe ensom adaba se ni nyina kan bi ensom anama chasa France amai no womonsom antimi ankwan ni mu a enom update aba onum semro a ye baba start game time boss won baba inspect aye patch no Usman Dembele masa matchiri baba de ho no wahwe any Rolex I just said Dembele Rolex watch in the shack. Phenomena yasem aye $200,000. I just a watch I know reference Dembele and some action and one and some every time I just a watch no and some animal nyam and I just a bema could I take just an janum I just say 30 billion I know I Ghana and TTCK now the question quite to me and your PS answer 828 million and Teresika and I watch and I'm proud to the game and I watch and I just akutana your father said dumb boost and I'm yanino and Kwankosiaka nam and I dream one about qualify and I win also 90 final Ebisem is coming home Abayajuma now born on Southgate ama England and Manchester Bono we met me akwa je aye final no and some ade so mo na so ebe so gidi e ba say Netherlands team no and some abaka final na mami coach Alfonso Ronald Koeman report to me nyan say na twi meti say goalkeeper aye Jordan Pickford in post we ba say back 3 ebiem Magay John Stones Kyle Walker, Bukayo Saka, Ebeko, right wing back, and what you can Trippianum, and HS Kobe Maino, Declan Rice, and should Bellingham fell 14, and after Harry Kaneum, and a Dominion Sana dream, almost over started. Yes, it looks short and Shada, and 100% fit, and a man at Jubon, a man start here. Never saw Ronald Koeman so penny, and you'll be a more game and a dream at the Tia Omaya, your fans are England, a crime brain, and I'm fast a room. I was some match in the man, what you crown, send a game and a tree, and also Ronald Koeman, and so a Kasai.
Kind of system they will start. It can be 4 defenders, can be 5 defenders, how they play against Switzerland the last match, and but we are prepared for both ways to compete against them, and we know they have a lot of individual qualities. I think we have both teams are really strong, and it will be a good fight.
Yes, I know. I just said, yeah, manager fans are Ronald Koeman out there. Yeah, Dennis and Emma, Freeman, red fans are Drake, Enra, and Opasiana, Mekacho, Sikadia Bema, who bump and the Chonas or what year. Yeah, now I say, I said, Yakabianya Sikasans, Enra Mekacho said Drake or call Aya Canada, Omutimdachi, now charge $300,000. Sir, Canada for the Argentina qualify, and now pay Ashiaku, Shak, Argentina picture now. One more day, I have message be at to message, you know. I am very simple. I must say, I am not like us. Not like us, you know, and some I am Kendrick Lamar. Also, I say, so I'm for him, said Drake, I am Kendrick Lamar. I see beef. What was beef? You can't come across Supaku. A common, you know, because to quality them. I'm over class massa. Kendrick Lamar drop in, you know, what the best and less than 2 is no, I hate it. I have million streams only at about 2 months. And I am Argentina for say, I'm a message, not like us. I am Kendrick Lamar. Ninyum, it is our Drake, and Abacas, our Canada, $300,000. Argentina for message in a very simple. Kendrick Lamar, Arachas, on the title, no, at the reply, Ora, your father said Drake, our Branano Pano, and no some update about some, no, yet I'm here to for our Jumadian so. Now, Mamma, I am Manchester United manager, no, and I'm a coach, your father Eric Tanag, Enra, Mekachos, a manager, about the press conference at Dika Enra, one must start training anano Pano. One more room and some our training ground shack. The camera be coaching about Massa was say, dear no amateurs and it no, I won't take it out, you know, Massa. Union about another pay Manchester Soto and so no Kaka coaching about us. A lovely Manchester weather, no, and some I come, our brow, what done in here now. Udia Tima, you coach like a trouble from Manchester and some our done
Manchester well. Lovely weather. Manchester weather.
Not just a lovely weather, lovely Manchester weather, no, and I am many channels so message. No, coach, and say, young country, say, man, you asked that to presses was a time when you have time no day, a brand new I have Britia, where be an a manju. I did about your process and I started. Now, the also Kaotaika say, I was a standards, a peja, I was a standards, our manju, and some Akohai. Yet, United manager, your friend Eric Ten Hag.
We don't have so much time to prepare, and that is, we have only a very short slot to prepare. And because, first of all, the lads, they deserved and they needed the rest. But now we are back, and you feel they are energized. But yeah, we have to realize it's a short slot and to go into the season. So we have to take every game very serious to step up. And so from game to game, we have to achieve higher levels. So every game is important.
Yes, not just a match be a man you ever piano massa. I'm saying who here many can say and in can yes sir was I stand a contract I'm on my unity and I'm more to also at the match United just and you know and some kakra from Maswaya and some like Banano our show sooner report to me can send commoner my you emperor focus on my Bobo Quanas Aquadana your fan said Johnny Evans at dinner you know yeah this is our best and also more team now say more person Johnny Evans at because me be kai na me say be agrom no ka say say man you ada so dim commerce player your friend say Johnny Evans abeto aso na afei won some attract no contract ni mo enso adama Man United ha enom e fi man you aso adaba on some introduce akoda bi a chese baba wie no your friend aye Willie Kamboala yes boy na rejected offer mo jamano the contract about 2025 when your offers be from US of A when you be our France, when you be our Bundesliga and our La Liga anymore, now Kamboala. Yes, a brand is one on sign contract and sign contract watching and Man United Bobo Konafe, Mammy Bobo Crefans Arsenal. Now Arsenal maybe can't so much goalkeeper. Near so much call Wolves. Udru Wolves are almost in Quanumra. Now on my third choice goalkeeper. On my two David Raya, Ramsdale, Eba Okwa. Obi ebe banemom womo sen komo third choice no a goalkeeper your friend Dan Bento na Dan Bento no na so mo call ya goalkeeper Emma Wolves Arsenal mo sika say ya womo sen omo kita £50,000 and almost na yeah £50,000 and move on go pay to be done more na you want a goalkeeper enti o ma reject amount no ama me no kasa report am say kan Arsenal and some other say o mo bid no kina afi ma me ore for say Mohamed Salah me be ka say Mohamed Salah ni owura na you for say Wataru Endo o mo me nyina no and some other start pre-season and so am Liverpool team mama time wo mo some other drew ya Chakudiam. Nani nyina say Salah ababetru and what chi akwadana fan say ayo Wataru Endo ono so aba mo Salah near masa fe the Egyptian kenene afia be because adwumana and a slot aye our Agza aye training on no tempa etu Wataru Endo aye good news Mohamed Salah aye good news me be kai some Olympic games no anya de some omumienu abako omuni Liverpool team no and some aba start season ampa omumienu some aba Judame can say, Opa, yes, I'll bet you home, and then on my training, and some our Axaho, I just know I update. I almost say so far training on no Monday. Ebesi Enra, I'm no Cassie, yes, modern bar, coach and friends and a slot upon you know. Yes, I'm saying impressions, and I'm say, well, live near cancer, good impressions. One more some Pachumano, woman, your mistakes, have your table, Bokua, your friends say Liverpool Chuma, and some Ama or no manager, your friends and a slot, and what you know, Mammy Chelsea coacher, your friends are Enzo Maresca, Musa, yes, almost say, Makukuraya ball, our ball. Our Euro simu ni kwanso amotona mare kwa na sempo amoton obi ama chese bia sani panakwa eni kwanso aye kukuraya awase boy ni este and what you said here manager fan say Maresca beso obono bono e bia full back nam we invite our brow team possess and what you lose bona what ba normal position nyina no wo mtiri e ba say kuku and so abeye sajuma na mom shark mami day 2 our training make an no pama was ono kan no and wasan kanonas and upon a time in answer tie manager says important pay attention okay go on start to also me wani masa boshot dabi and me mbomini oh I'm passing kwa waso dentia me na me se pia bone bra 1 2 oh masa na tesan oh gracias oh what you tie Enzo Maresca de 2 bama mumunyani ona ya so Japan yaba yentie Enzo Maresca de 2
Again, repeat pass. It's important. Pay attention. Okay? Back. Start. Come here. Play with me. I said in the pocket. I appear. Yes. That's it. Well done. Well done. Olivia. Well done, Chile. Well done. Go. Main position, guys. Yes. Out from there. Out. Yes, Tony. Well done. Well done. Yes. Well done. Well done, Levi. Well done. Chile.
Masa akomne ba yesi ba mumumi kwamo moda munya yo ma so obi so say na ya to so dumienu masa modern ball boys ne ba me so uni ahode na bia oni stamina say untimi mama Chelsea team no ma nya ye wai aye Enzo Maresca our boys ne nyina no wo bia so position our club ne mo a eno aye update ba na mama aye bebao for no I launch om JC a wo me share this season as upcoming season Spain. Now the ama Barca for nya GD and say wa bro mo the pictures about to just anyway and I just say almost JC ya do promo aya ne kan say aya this season attack you know Jamensa kan say a branch and fan say Nico Williams and some encounter Shaq unya picture na me akana menkom and resan say Brennan Mukra why aya be bawo omo JC womo some other pa aya dey say womo you know I to my essence womo diri e Barca fino I was saying you akwa and some amatim no I just say why aya JC aboboku a ye fan say be bawo for no womo some abahwa bro mo launch JC ni nyina no report to me say kan say na just a boy no enso enka ho boy ni enimu bi e wa bro just akoda no ono some abetimi assign e dia maboboku a ye fan say Barcelona wonim say report to me nyana na no plan say enra before say Spain womo game e so metesa be bawo womo sporting director yeso ko Spain hotel ana man fa say na bia on the be kakra bia me yakwakobo bola e ti say owura we opaden wa ha yesem omo san unso ne akodan na ye fan say Nico Williams say din komo ana man fa say ai ene oba be we share akodan the best of luck no say ya munya botra na nya Nico Williams enkwan o rented bi won ma womo som opo ama be bawo in fact o ma the entire team aye good luck in tomo mo yes ai ene bia akodan ntina ma aye sports director eba chese hotel no nyina no womo sem ano ntino oba ye oba ma the entire team good luck am no kasane no and some aye update aba me kan no pai me catch us a bonsa Hans Flick and a boys am a reporter our training Frankie de Jong aba Gavi our ho and what he there's a Victor Rockinum and it just Ansu Fatinum omo nyina ne a just a bonsa and them aye day one and some our processing training mekan enra what kai say wa unya time money tabia me ka say Hans Flick aba say Thiago Alcantara aba count the backroom staff no Shaq mama tell my Thiago Alcantara and some aba uram and some our ho enti Alcantara so drive by I just say Thiago Alcantara onum ana uram no ampa just a story na enra ya de buy na confirm say Thiago Alcantara ebetumi aka Hans Flick ne backroom staff no ewa bomo nyina no ensom abakwa kokabom aya adwuma no ensom adama saida ye fa no se Barca na Nico Williams sadia no ye se Barca for no Ejidi pa say womum our formula na formula on the best ani akotana ye fa no say Williams no omo nka mo binti na me kan no pen say womu no boy no omo reach personal terms enom aye personal agreement a chese akotana no woni Barca mporo for no awie dia kan nyina no say womu som abema chese be bawo ate omo ho ase na according to aye artificial intelligence enom aye AI aye model ye say AI for no say Nico Williams assigned a contract in Emma Barca. Chances awoho some obo modern chain left wing gasa Barca elpa and the left wing gasa was asisuno ejina 96% and Nico Williams be say according to AI yes is a Barca fa boy ni na omo moka Barca fa boy na oman kasabun sampa woma fa kodanum amacha sade kan sem faso ensom aba chese ni nyina no edene pa ababa afema me learning joro ensom atwit no eno ayeso obi ko use a fake account ana okwato chese ai ono me learning joro Manchester for munjame me dia me kasa me be Man U bia Manchester I don't want Man United leave me alone na boy na ngasa edem ono kasa na handle and some about to us fake account you guys are psycho I just a signal this account no na say one kasa otiri ho a ye be cow Punky Joe unim Punky Joe because I don't understand ebia na Real Madrid amfa once na also say Man U no into obekasam amobia say account na ebe post this at no enyo onom akodana fa no say joro na mom eye just obi onom use fake account na just any panel and some other baba say ni dia enom update about Mediterranean wababa drew aye Inter Milan woman some training ground so ade men say kan say obani photo shoot Mediterranean photo shoot no wabaya make atama na season ekos na make as boy no and some other sign it at the ama Inter Milan Mediterranean baba drew photo shoot and videos and dia kan nyina no and some other cause of branding nyina so na fe yema mehwem.
Well done, Olivia. Well done, Chile. Well done. Go. Get in position, guys. Yes. Out from there. Out. Yes, Tony. Well done. Well done. Yes.
Well done, Levi. Well done.
Chile. That's it. My guys almost there. Almost there.
And now is the moment that we need to work every day.
Again, repeat pass. It's important.
Yes, yamre na fe me hwem kakra kan nso interview nti o say e born 10 na ye call ye dem real quick. Me say bibia e find here.
Yeah, me ado ma hwe any experience fancy bibia e boko.
Dem me ase pa.
Yes. Mame enye this special birthday wish ansana mako mensem ne so. Shadrack, are you ready ana?
Sompa sport.
Okay, me ba be see ana my birthday ne dia mamo. Fancy, see, me shall say the free issues are course when it comes to the transfer market. Now, I say, Enra, the first topic, ana AD hini, ana trendy bebre now system, ne Lenny Euro, only see a kind of malil. Now, I say, Manchester United, akwako bede £51 million with add-ons inclusive. Serebe almost sabit miaka Lenny Euro, amana bisi a kind of momo. But the question is surrounding this particular deal ne say one Abrantia nankasa hin fan opeso okusi akan wo either so opeso osi akan wo Real Madrid and also okusi akan Manchester United and now are ready say obetina Lille and sana later on no wabon homodin a movie akọ as a free agent akwa kusi akan de Real Madrid and now so these things were going on up and down but me say the surprising part na me hu ni say I say I'm quite perplexed with the way Manchester United are moving on. Say they know say Branty wo nya Madrid and obebo. Edie no mate. Edie no mahunu. Edie na epiepie omo a ama Manchester United akwa be size Canadian Amalila atum because you nim say in the normal way of buying a player from another club okwa uni player na agree on personal terms.
Yes.
Mo agree we ansana club to club na mako akoye dey. Mako negotiate. Di enti na Manchester United dey fini koye. Eme akwaji tu mu. Na afei actually ana muni player ne ba bedi nkomo. Fancy, the team of this particular transfer ni muni. William Mendes na manager akoda we. Na guest to fit for no. Omo players ahodo bebre. Na yema begini pre-season ya no. Omo ba Carrington. Tama Manchester United kofa Jason Walkers mobile dana short mu de omoba Carrington na omoba Carrington no omo be meeting omo na saso manage Manuel Ugarte for Paris Saint-Germain inti omo bedru wo no the discussions was centered around Lenny Euro and Manuel Ugarte na omo ti ase be hunu se opese unya players imienu a say na wo so okofa na say na wo so wo ye no and Manchester United have always had a very good relationship with William Mendes. Free to sports. So Manchester United wanted to push a move in the spite say Ashasi you know. Mumema you get there and yesu any J Lenny Euro because William Mendes is looking for a way for the agent to move out of Paris Saint-Germain. Everything clearly shows that he's not part of the plans of Paris Saint-Germain. Let's be honest with ourselves. Because the midfield of Paris Saint-Germain no, Vitinha, and Fabian Ruiz. Sene Danilo Pereira no be fita. Ono su be shemu ofifi wo bi be dey. Ebi wo bi. So there is quite some difficulty in that particular midfield for some of these players. And Sana Zaire Emery and Luis Enrique enyen free was say no akoka se oba be free on say activity Ugarte ba be nya bi diabo. The profile of Ugarte makes it difficult for him to fit into the system at Paris Saint-Germain. So they are looking for a way out for him. And Manchester United say any before Ugarte dia mo me fa Lenny Euro so nya dey en fa kan ho. Ana mo so mo ti ase say Abrante ne de Madrid no na adwen so obeye dey obebo. But ne ho kan nyina ye say mu de kwa Lille for ne be dey e be je atum Lille for ne ji tum a yeah as agency no will try and push and convince Abrante ne be sesa na adwen abesi akan de amamu because Lille and a childhood club and they will need money and on timi nko free leaving Lille like that abra omunye ska bia no emisa Abrante ne be ha ne ye pa Madrid is also not ready to pay that particular amount of money to them because Madrid bid no the call in the class as well form. So it's time for us to see and know and understand the next step for Abrante we say obeja tum say £51 million habano with add-ons no oba see a kind of Manchester United and I say on see a kind of but there's a lot of convincing going on behind the scene and Christopher Vevel and see and now Gina Mutinti man pa pushi say Manchester United wants to sign 3 centre backs. On person mo signing Euro, on person mo signing Delete, on person mo no mas Jared Braithwaite so account. Then they will be able to move on the players like Harry Maguire. And the reason why they are taking up that strategy ni say Fancy say Manchester United signing man ko for mo hunu say Manchester United are signing players about omo your madwen so moko. So the only way to make sure say almost bit many the moment they see you are by they know say they are not part of the plans. But the moment I'll be relaxing now, they will still be there. So that is the strategy Manchester want to use. But Real Madrid has always had that particular aura. Yesterday we had this one will play out because Real Madrid says cano obitria. And no more GDA say they could speak with Akulano, no running down the contract, no baby see a kind of momo. So it's a matter of Akulani choosing between and no any son in the club no on Benyes cano and they see Gina CC. Now fancy the man and game near kono. Eso ani obi ani bekoso ne enoma mienu. One the edi kan ya de see in 1993 World Cup qualifying between Netherlands and England. The tosu mienu say the only time Netherlands agi the Euros no or Genoa West Germany and they yaka West Germany ni East Germany nyina bom ani ababe ne dede the German national team omu nyina si akan. Now Fancy Di Maria o share these two things are make one wasem na. It was in October 1993. Now coach the English national team near friend of Graham Taylor. Now ono na ejina nchen ana o coach but we the way na England a struggle for qualification. Now the decider was supposed to be at Rotterdam between Netherlands and England. That time no kind of Holland. Now I can see no ye din. Now emu ye din there was a last minute tackle we are between boy England for net Sompa Sports. Now nipa last man Ronald Koeman. Now Ronald Koeman coach us and channel. No mudi to me say ball was supposed to be a red card. Yama Ronald Koeman red card no. Yama yellow card. I know the name. Ball no so as wo GD say as a penalty box in the crowd na say when the ball won kakra ntia o say o tom nie timi gimae amfasa. Na besi ne Taylor ekọ ne kra chi nyina no. Before ansa no ba be kọ no. Na ya de otai kan wasem say because omo feli in Euro 1992 neighbor no. There was something that went on in terms of that particular tournament and it became a failure for England. That's why I said they had a very good team, they have good players at that particular time. No, Omo aim Nissan come qualify for the 1994 World Cup. Ababe Eden, Ababe Bubi, Ababe Chred or more. By 93 qualifiers, no, they see any intino. Ama England and Timmy and Pusham, Ama na Juma society a bono. It's England for some money Ronald Koeman will be capable.
Sompa Sports
and I'm also. And omo breya omo qualification to 1994 World Cup no they struggled. It's against Ronald Koeman. I no ebegina bench Ediama and the Netherlands national team no Fancy Di Maria omo very much ready to pay him that particular debt. Ronald Koeman so no abrana Holland and I said Netherlands the Euros and it's becoming the only time Omoji in 1988 no he was the star man. He was the face of the Netherlands team and they will be ready say ene ono so betime lead omo into the final of the Euros, making sure say Corona or J the only Euros as a coach, as a player at the moment, as a coach, obetimi asaso de mutintimai aboa amanioma etimi akoye de ama the Netherlands national team. Quality on both sides. England should go with their three back. Now, yes, some ko grow one ko ebi fufrobia or maso ebetimi anshe. But I believe England has a slight chance due to they almost TTNO and they found luck in this tournament. England has actually found luck in this tournament and they are getting used to it. So, my main fancy na me wish birthday Fancy Di Maria. Na se me wish birthday Shadrack I ready my main wish na menko Mrs. Brenda. Na se me wish Mrs. Brenda ne birthday na Mrs. Brenda ukunu friend Frank Owusu. Frank Owusu UK. Na on fair show ni agro.
That's right.
Fancy the reason why here this is one birthday I'm so much enthused about no. Frank Owusu ewo UK. Na Mrs. Brenda we are Nigeria or see them wish you happy birthday na me inshra na onyo kese na oma okwatenti na de odo sabeso bia enye inshra.
Okay, wo me da say Varas
Fancy
yentiwe
Fancy enra one of the days ebema what the hype and the buzz around Fene Yama
Lami Yama.
So where a player to say no na national team albo any this stage any more your park and so no ɛkyerɛ wo de nti a amanfoɔ ka no ho asɛm na ebrebe duru ne akɔfa pictures na the Messiah himself enso yɛ present ɛwɔ na waase na wo so no pictures ahoro a yɛde ba abɔnten kyerɛ wo sɛ asɛ yɛde the Messi we used to know na Messi now starting na ehunu ball no asɛ no ne ehunu nei ɛwɔ abrante fɛ no ɛyɛ yamamu 16 years any decisions I would take you park so no every time be a now 9 out of 10 nature say the decision you take biano always no a perfect time sir.
Okay,
at this stage a tournament where young first playing for anka home yeah ball against France national team on bar tournament and they've not been that expansive side yeah who on bono but one thing I just solid about them a defensive shape omo keep low blocks and adding say teams beat me asha omo no ma take lead e match him na Spain team we hu so omo ye inexperience in terms of ye bot tournament no omo enzo team ya me trade this crop of players now we are down now here omo team now omo go so much channel this tournament nya no in the opponent half and I say in the opponent box na ya show omo back na they are playing against a team omo so omo set it tight. Now they needed a miracle. They needed a goal outside the box. It was a brand defending Yama.
And yes, how go no na unlock Spain omo confidence.
Bibia.
It's how go na man.
Nkasemasi. And unsettled France for no. Yenim how Didier Deschamps just any teams. 3 defensive midfielders or ball. But no, when he was to chase the game, he was 2 defensive midfielders a free. Or you rub your film, you can't film. A chose no why follow game no. But ne Yamana, yes, Jumano, Amen. Didier Deschamps and so Ed than your money. And so Barcelona near when you bet so a quala na year Juma and sweating with amount. He'll be turning 17 years Nyampa Saturday.
Yes.
And in your ma or ye El Parkin. So the youngest footballer was a go at the semi-final. World Cup any a year Euros Nina. Were ye pillar free ho? And a Branton we can only hope so wait me a Jumana send was equal now. Or Fabo and Atims a beaver we see the must pay for no. And one thing I'm a power by him is a now no Hong Kong or Bobono. So but in a go no or Bahono or Bob passes in Ensua, you could see so team Bob passing. And
on the Bono could you can't dummy left, equal right. More sounding the back left to be him. The amount go no cross and special Malamani say Nippon or the can some fan say born our di can bam so no person or qualify final there. So this will more and obey some player now so ride your nana try and call blocky shot na I you know.
Until the age and then your ma way no or your mighty things. And we Barcelona near with the kind of performance around an Ed. But once you start a classical crab, but I shall say creative bars no because as we speak. I'm not for Dean Kowabao go of the tournament. They talk of Real Madrid's other good let's go. And they talk of Yaman to go now share no. In the young started no crano, that bars and ends by and I think that one thing in here when it comes to football in the way number when Yami will go far. So when you're injury free tournament and as injury free career, said he not expect now he will go far. He will go very far. But the football now bono.
Football for Benya a berry na say to say no money because the next 10 years or 27 years
27 years football knows what call 28 now yeah until this time around until we are hoping say injury free na be enjoy no because any afeni yahu and go you know he scored same against in the under 21 or so this same goal the baby any trademark and sibe who goes way more football mu dia you be enjoy football pa so yama ye adwuma enra but La Fuente ye adwuma no and one man who say or your manager or ye adwuma no with your not that system say was system with young fast system na no niamfanko so where 2012 so 2012 Spain team on the ball final against Italy now her squad and there was our team. I know the last time on war final, you won't find a Yampa Sunday now. Now the current squad you said the La Fuente Hejuma. This is the 2012 squad. We have Casillas that pony him. Abeloa, Piqué, Ramos, Odi Abba, Xavi, Sergio Busquets, Alonso, Fabregas, David Villa, David Silva, and Iniesta. This is a team dominated by Real Madrid and Barcelona. And in the 2012 season, I can't watch them. Where season now Air Clasico no one peak. A Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi era every single time you just said
yeah.
Jose Mourinho ne Pep Guardiola Dinamo was Spain. And you team we. As we speak, Air Clasico now a man for cramp penny wesa. Say near 2012.
As I feed in a man for started hype around Jamal versus Mbappe
mono. So now you heard the current squad the cry Spain for no. And yet dominated by Real Madrid and Barcelona. Say now we need City no. It's not even the bars around them no ever form. But so 2012 no games for boy Italy, Ireland, Croatia, or Portugal to some extent go through final now. This time around, we bought difficult games at the 2012, but we winning games na no penalties. Oh, in 2012, we play we winning game no penalties against Portugal in the semi-finals. But this time around, we bought games na we winning na the same games we won no we team winning na. Whereas squad as we here, and yes squad are bars war around them sir. When you talk of Rodri. Well, one person because of Pep Guardiola wonders however with Manchester City each and every single time we Morata is someone who was starting with team the Braoko by a name could be and then they let go for person Jano Quine. Oshe O Momo now Williams Yama and Nye Barcelona and all born Yahuna and Kao Money Din Van Cahu and national team Omoyam Quality and Stenio Moho and all the age mano. This is a team not dominated by Barcelona and Real Madrid. The rest was that for the war more and so with team him. Yesterday, the trusted defenders were out. Normal was out and Cavalla was out. But on your tactics are a bit me temu Mbappe to some extent. I want the important victory what Timiania. This is a manager on shutdown coachy team Cassiebia in say Ebia club football on shutdown coachy team Cassiebia. Alaves no nya short a stint with them. And from August to October 2011. Osha from 2013 under 19, under 21, under 23, and now the Spain national team.
Yeah.
And I know
on him system
no. By himself Spain for your tiki taka. More your possession, regardless pressure the bombs, they will keep the ball, no pass. But when when Spain needs to keep the ball, they keep the ball. When they need to counter attack, they counter attack. Then any idea Uran and Edeko. He's won so much trophies for himself. The under 19, 2015, he won it. Also the under 21, so in 2019, he won it. We're winning the UEFA Nations League at the Spain, and now he's at the final. Obetim Enswaje at Yakahu. And this is someone Juma. And I think say ono so aboa ama Mark Kukurera Juma because his days he was a left back. It's already year utim say Ajuma Mark here in this tournament you know e yade amount for air bonabaso de la frente here Juma no pa anoma enso etimi de mano. Yes JD Central and say you want to play for Juventus. I think say ebeboa because in recent times we've seen players from England and also from England and no Manchester and fa mo call Italy no metimi kon kind mo. In recent times we bo Ashley Young din. He was small in kakra. Abraham Akwakobo, Lukaku, Esoko, Ekoboy. Dear Kanako, yes, oh boy, England, Hono, none of yet denk Saka Kadama was so rum, or Italy, one wants to me, acquire the amount. And said the Yahoo, or where I found a Tiago Mota. Said see penny teams, and how a person in teams Bono. I think say Jadon Sancho will be a player in the setup, or Betima Bois, Amanoma answer to me, a Concana Juventus, not a team no, and England, Holland neighbor. My friend, New Year. We a game back. We've not seen them. Said yes anymore. Tournament when our England national team now, a lot of talent in their team, attacking wise. But we've not seen that attacking wise no more. We've not seen the the year Juma. Over Holland for now, they are a team that we know that keep possession, take control of the game. By who's that last game almost 8 boy. So it tells the team when me and you grade A games and on by about this kind of game. Akomiaka the last time Holland for any win or more enso tournament and so her teams we England for apart from Brazil or team England for any year no Netherlands for to me show pa and Coleman you be also to me England for no. So I think it's a game when you game back England don't need to ride on luck again. They didn't make luck. Last 2 games born at this time. No, they needed last minute luck to make sure say echo. They don't need that one again. Say Southgate no one right. No one right then England and Super Team. But this game, I think say it's never going home.
Sompa Sports.
It's never going home.
England and final.
2-1 win be for the Netherlands.
Okay. What me that say Varas, remember Michael or Mike now where they
fancy nyame adom.
I mean we say no pe okay timo Barca for no okay tine dikan. Say o mo sheda pass ada goulash ekofia.
Na
no nya botra hwela me yama go no TV so.
Why na our tournament in Masebo no be TV so.
Yes mo.
But the excitement and everything around it makes it beautiful. Yeah, so but quickly on the Nico Williams bet. Boy not catcher the agent say he has only one intention, and the intention is if Barca makes any serious offer, among consider he wants to move there. Good. What's my bet him the factors that a year present or Barca environment anymore, the boy will be keen and eager to be part of that setup because a better allow for growth. Lamine Yamal and Nico Williams story no is similar. Omunyina enya from privileged backgrounds. Omunchi yes their mothers played pivotal roles in their careers. So for one reason the two players are more bopa. It is because omotenasi din koma they will share stories about their past, omo family. Into omo story na ebeye pepe panisa. In the case of Nico Williams, ne papa Efri Omonchenko ye adwuma wo UK as a security guard. Send a be obenyis ka sendi bi dia bafie. In the case of Lamine Yamal, ne maame free ne papa ne nchen ekọ baby foforo koye adwuma send ye beya sika beba. It is true ne maame ne kra na ema otumi nya ball ne boy kra. Because ne maame ne call sa La Torreta hono. Then the person responsible for La Torreta sa small team no the coordinator or no be recommended say ma oba ne mra no mebo boni bi. So ne maame drove him to training. Then the man also drove him to training at times. And said ne papa crab him. So omotnasi din koma. All these stories will come to bear. And almost the NSM no me no there. Yes story ye pa ne say nti omobo. And that is why it was not surprising saying Raya Lamine Yamal J the MVP of I so MVP to my little bro. Nico Williams will post this idea. And he would love to play with him in the team. The Spanish national team setup, maybe tactical variations, new coach, any setup, no, will be different from Barca there. But maybe I will be present there, a beboa for familiarity and settling. Nti, Bilbao for now your more picture we. Nico Williams in him. There is Danny Vivian, Unai Simon, Onanga Zaninia, Iñaki Williams. Nobody way na Barber tour. Almost na say Nico Williams or Coiro. But goalkeeper no no so almost Coiro.
Now
Danny Vivian so Coiro.
Omuntumi nye sa flyer na artwork you are brand new kan.
You try we need to go. And no come website they've written say omo players in CB omo promote omo for that. Obi antimi nimi ndi adechini ma mentin to say oh per current players omo value what's wrong about team mu a obeyi Nico Williams in Ephraim. And he's playing a tournament where Nestor can so rise will be no. Into what the tone JC I beto. But how come say you be as oh only on one tournament in the crowd preseason walk off the only high profile no a wedding. Or only here the face of it. So a match transfer in common put me reading meanings into it. Then you get this belief if you're a Barca fan say oh, the signals are becoming clear. First, and then that red means stopper. Since you buy yellow crama, yellow ne ya dania ye green anesa. Nese bibia betimi to tom amanioma swaye. So believe. But the only thing is that se wa no kwa na diaba. Exactly. Point me for man on didn't say. What matters now is that money in a hand, then the player na come. Nice or no waba or baba bobono ama bibi akweni but so far the signs are good and aya na ya onwa wa so obenya player na so obetre do so person oboma kla fans yes na easy man. So Barca will need to do their own things and ensure that they're able to get what they want for the boy. Messi Eshe Guendra, the first goal in the Copa America. Now he scored in 6 Anameboa. Copa America editions are propelling the second in terms of all-time top-scoring players for international teams. Beautiful. Again, the story of Messi can never be well told if you just speak to the goals aspect and the why. But I'm saying this in terms of international way, efficiency, Ronaldo bro Messi so. That one we must establish.
International
stage efficiency.
Okay.
Efficiency and yet the total output, but you have to consider input
Sompa
as well.
Sports.
Then what striking average. So the ratio will give you that. This is the numbers. 109 goals for Messi in 186 appearances for Argentina. And you're insane. On the average, a goal per every 1.7 games or bebo.
There's almost 2 matches.
Exactly. Then a goal, if you are looking at the minutes, a goal every 141.48 minutes. What do you compare Ronaldo to now? Ronaldo has scored more goals than Messi. But Obisi's argument, he's played more matches than Messi, true. What 212 games, was 130 goals for the Portuguese national team. But if you break the ratio now, he is also efficient per a goal per match ratio and a goal per minute ratio. And this is it. Messi the 1.7 games per goal. Ronaldo the 1.63 games no amount goal. Then the minutes Nidiana cross answer table from the call 1.29 something minutes for every Portugal game you Biano. He guarantees you a goal. If you add the assist anyway now, and a Messi Bebrone so kakrabi. Because if you add assist, Messi Pejako 167 in 186, which means 1.1 game Biobobiano or now a goal contribution, whether scoring or assisting. The minute assorted about 92.34. Ronaldo marginally behind 1.2 matches per game with a goal involvement for Portugal. And now for amount 96.45 minutes and some of our goal contribution. Then I make a cardiaco. Make a cardiaco say, we didn't know Messi. Say, or you see. So to get closer to the efficient scorers in the history of the game, it tells you the general aspect of how great Messi is. I'm stating here. Because Ronaldo is greater, the conversation will be very biased and limited to goal scoring. See, Ronaldo is a great player, and commanding in 95% ebe goal scoring so. But Messi helps you find the balance. Ebe a goal scoring be 60, assist, creativity be 40, and at the same balance neba. And that makes it all beautiful. That the player who does not have a clear-cut profile, Messi dey assist normal, Messi dey goes no share, and he does it effortlessly, very well so. Or can he me any boom? I'm me but Ronaldo dey bro the other one so. I'm not saying Ronaldo does not create, but he's not as an efficient creator. He's not as an efficient creator when compared to Messi. Okay. In terms of what Messi is doing as it stands now, one, he defied nature, he defied everything. Oh, growth syndrome. Yes, on to me, you obey. He defied that. Ye no abofrekume freni mind so e de yakọ mind foforo so. He defied that. He rose. And then he excelled. He did not just excel alone, took along his country and his club. I think that Lionel Messi no so we ne born no kwa. Argentina for net Nancy Dino Mosha. Even for the die-hard Maradona fans, I feel to me Kwani Debi, we do yadi. They will have to concede that Lionel Messi boy, definitely, if Maradona had the hand of God, by way the end he has been touched by God. Nyankopon de nsa kanwa, obetimi de nitia kan, obetimi de na kan. Sana Messi de na Maradona de they said the hand. Messi de might be the entire being of God overtaking him and filling him with the powers. Obia beka na bond, there is an aspect of divinity that plays a part in the life that we lead. And see what there have been several instances where a man for a run testimony. A dear dance say, a dear bia of free mu nneɛma bi a ɔfɛ mu adeɛ bi a wa encounter no wadwen wa on tias yo nim sɛnea saa adeɛ ne sisi yɛ obi wɔ hɔ ogina hɔ nipa asaso this is a true story fancy nipa 5 na ɛsaso ana car ati free ba car ne bɔ nipa 5 na ɛbɔ 4 ɛmɛ car baako
ɔno nkwandu no
anka
yes
how there is an act of divinity
now the flight no kra na me ma obetiese akwa crash ya pem abehwo wu but chapo kwanse dey say 2016 year kai players who die a day before me two kwan oson die na as a flight na akwa crash one of bopitri sorry
there is the story
of the wife business ade no so oson die say no ono oba no nyina bompa so ade achia no po ma pack in the back so okunyina no ne wona basa what flight mu nyina catch mu nyina say die say no so ye ampa eno nipa me say survive no so no kan
ho bi. There is the story of Bobby Charlton, Man U. Akomia, and then 68, 68, right? Dominica disaster. Then they see now on count. There is a story of Kalusha Bolia, Zambia. Our national team, the Konya San Quinciano. What happened in Tia? Aina Kalusha Enkahu. At times, a delayance for a certain cause. Ayana a life saving. Ebi a wo ko baby wo ye bibi adekro na wo hwe nim se beba no na aketre kakra sa delay no it could be a blessing in disguise, you never know. Kalusha missed the flight with Zambia, but for that ankasie konkan
some delays are good.
Yeah, blessings in disguise. Okay, back to the divinity talk. Maka Messi there, good. So if Messi has been blessed, say he's anointed, then Messi can anoint the hair of the next football generation. True or false? Say so for Nyankopon den nsa kawa o ma ngosra ana meboa. Ngosa na Nyankopon de be ma no. Also for no to me the impartation. True or false?
Yes.
So that is how come in the Bible Samuel was anointed by one the priest. Nyankopon den nsa ka priest no so boa guide Samuel. Samuel anointed David. So anointing is a part of the impartation process, especially when you have been touched, overcome, overpowered by God. Mercy, if we believe, was touched by the football gods and given to us in human form. I want to believe that picture of Messi bathing Lami Yamal.
Now, question you cry say papa.
Okay, so there is the story. Barca, a charity initiatives. The Mbasa had this remarkable deal with UNICEF. Now every year biano, Basa war activities are or the raise sika. Now or the abua UNICEF the charity initiatives on also here. One way to raise money was Basa using 12 of the players in say or the omo calendar for 2008. In the calendar no, Basa will relate to the regions within Catalonia and the people around. Inti obia and submit it as a raffle. Inti a raffle na submit say o person Barca player extra picture. And even Lami Yamal ebusunya koye ya. Luckily for them, they won. And so they were part of the raffle winners no. And nipa 12 ye na ebusunya 12 ye omo. So obia betcha a unique picture. And a Messi die no e buy. How strangely, because at that time they had stellar names, Xabi, Iniesta, there. So how did Messi get Lami Yamal?
Now you are crying
because selection is random. You need a easy you, and you intro into who. So a ban is saying that Messi cost for Lami Yamal. Say when I me pay.
Nippon will trap picture and crowns and training. None of you know working on the picture. And
I'm saying no, the picture be my busiane koi. So they didn't even know. Omunim Yamal no already 6 months. Ne maame no de ne koye no onimbo mu kra no enim Messi mpo because that time na Messi indeed insa e Ronaldinho e to mu ni wedi ne ereni so e ba ne saying this makes me believe fancy
say na man sen training e wura ne say ne enkwala na wo Barcelona nyina na yema Yamal so ndware nkwara
good so clear Lami Yamal ni ade oye no there is an act of divinity back in it but Nyankopon ni osoro ne nko antumi muwa yeso osoro boa de oboa de ho and this boy very responsible, very hardworking, very humble. Ebanesana osuru piawa and ya wo kwechire pa nti boy we obekwo echire pa.
Lamine Yamal. and Basa for feed them say all lies away Madrid hono. Yes, you may not fail and twas you knew your crown. Ghana gross Juma Jenma catch us we youth. Man and member must say a Juma anyone a Juma Diabu Chrome and Anthony say opportunities our agriculture, agribusiness, technical, vocational skills. Chess obet me don't wash me wow. I'm on sick as I come out age, I between 15 equals 35 years. But Moria said Ghana grows way a Juma dia a MasterCard Foundation in the Springboard Roadshow Foundation and a Limehouse and Penifono and a day abba. Nebemont Tier, I'm a Jumedia Udibiano, and your man so I find a day I'm afraid. A 0308 255775 not just in Perifono and your first so Fibo Ventures omo any toothbrushes and a toothpaste and haba now omo ma GB penny the omonim said I'm say product in the ACTA my catch also omo na day Ashford Princess and ayon kwadano and money you know be our one the omo designing in such a way just say want the kaki kenti akwadano won sorry no pan cancer so go and brush your teeth no mom akwadano sorry no papa ono ankasa beko no Wini say Aman Seno and so upright take Ashford evidence executive and a Galaxy Afe Ashford friendly Nino a toothbrushes and I make cow say Afri fresh herbal toothpaste as our Ghanaian market and so Yabo Modian so be pebi ato edia choose Yababuao Ama Cheswanum I sham come on yoma ebe pay a diama gum ebenya hoten nyena and so I will just so udru a airport Segolena a 0535 452263 na just on him phone and kasa Bafu Polo was say young fan to him say companies and schools afa institutions and just more ma form ya kwa odwa mo yantade in a uniform just mo besa mo hwe and come program say be a Friday way and answer Wednesday when nyina no and so aye Bafu Polo and China oba ya ma platinum package shirt no aye 20 diamond 15 gold package 10 silver 5 and a bronze aye between 1 equals 4 Bafu classics and so ya aba and no aye lapel on the tops and in the trousers, lapel tops and in the shorts. Archers and you know, say what can design be our baby now for say, or say Bafu Polo so jiwa and want to say, or did design ever banaya susuna fee, yapam the come at the show program piano, what to me shape Bafu classics nibi, and so at the coffee, what to mean council I have you may want to say, we are fashion designer, so your banner so your bema will pet Juman Quadia, but Maria so be corner Bafu Polo Penfono, a better I share your fed you may for a Bafu Polo obehuno enso awo santase oboase ekwan so ahenema kokobin sound stretch now so na wo enti friend awo 0249 600 789 0599 8999 19 now Bafu Polo and so enjoy so afemo mo pe internet no aye cloud internet and so ana people say wo krokasium wo kroketuom wo pe internet aye fast odo hobeto so entertain ko rough afei ya besa ma Wi-Fi no hotspot ashema eno aye cloud and so adaroma ya be install CCTV and so amao digital security locks adema companies any amount for fe nyina no aye cloud internet and so ana besa na power nyina and so adama ya juma our top high tech ekwan so anya yira kwanya ba bia wo kwa chese unhunu wo de ka che mate ni so be si top high wo driving so buso bia say wo ko top high number no 0202 699110 0244 601933 na just on a cloud internet and penfono and kasa yes me ne express group and penfo and so in your opening na on ye de
ya me adomini anam so ya
nyanko pantom last week di nkomo and so hin fa na de fa
yo me chiatiefo nyina na and me bon simfo anom ye nsape krokro wa bi de di kan so last week me ka say bosumi bi awie ya na ye free mock exam at the mancrofo a ompese omocho IELTS IELTS ni bi no your branches ni nyina across Ghana no at the end of every month last Saturday no ye free mock ema obia nti obia nhye no nti this month 28th July our in branches are Ghana nyina no ye de surge media no so ebekɔ so nti obi abetumi aba wa afi na opese o start wa wom dada usua de o baby na opese o try wa hoɔden hwɛ nka wo ye exams no a score say na nka obenya oba no pa 8 o'clock near start ewe ye centers ni nyina 28th July nti obi a enhye ne so sa eman afi mina na de me sheda aka ho asɛmpa eye say last year and about 2 years ago amanfo bebre echro sa IELTS bi titro eye se ombekɔ akoye care ewo UK
bebre na afili
bebre ebimu wo diploma in nursing ebimu wo certificate in nursing ebimu kra SHS for omo kra SHS certificate na omo ye se omo konso bebre ye ya omo antumi anko time BT bimu ebimu so de ekodi baby na Sompa Sports anko for no enene se wa ukra diploma in nursing certificate in nursing bi ananka opese okɔ ekoye sa care program ne bi no yamia dom yenya affiliate with one university ewo UK
wow
omo provide adult social care diploma program 9 months so you can say afe baako now ukoye via ubenya kwan any care homes no bi aye adwuma straight away immediately after the course you push an employer so you begin to work until obia ukra diploma in nursing certificate in nursing bia no a o try so obey sa de no bia antimi anko yi ama no ye ma o sa kwanya no say obaye no offices ni bia e betimi aboane a church na ya apply bia ma apushi akọ afi mini ade ka ho ne say sankufo na nzo mo diploma in nursing no on say nanka omo pekwan so omo call ye no a omo pejuma aye now kwanya foforo wo ho ma omo ne say obetumi akosua ade wo UK for just 1 year a top up program for 1 year na when you bachelor's in nursing a bachelor of nursing degree wo UK na unya no sa no straight away you work as a professional nurse.
It is a omunya chance na
yes
ekwani bia okwere top up program for just a year qualifying na
straight away
onya adwuma ho no mo
yes onya adwuma won say ye krum ha no wo hwe nurses and midwifery council mpo a it's not easy say ombe accept you be just into the council so obey nurse usually in Krufo I say omoko even nursing schools for krum ha omo schools na nya accredited by NMC no mpepi owie school na anim de nde wakonya but say be ya obenya yenyi wontum so most people wa wo person we adwuma as a professional nurse e wo UK wo diploma in nursing bia no de ye ne say just a year top up uko ubesua de 1 year pe na wanya a bachelor's degree straight away they pick you to work in their hospitals and your institutions akese no omo certify na watumi aye adwuma wo ho enti sankofuku ni nyina nsoso ye to nsa from mama kwanya say mobile offices ahodo ni nyina ye be guide mu through na ya church mo all of those things na watumi enya kwan akosua de afe ba akope na wabeye a professional nurse ewo UK now me finally me de manobe when I'm say your company Express Group ama lots of people no the Express are so ne de no so into
business on so the Express
yes
okay
na netitro pa ba ko me pese me bosso yen office no a ewo tema Lashibi community 18 in the same building no a ye wo no very close obi so akoma
ne
de and also the Express now so sometimes the people get confused the person mechanism is say yen office or yen kan jiro bi say ontua forms sika and sana yen no start bi what we have seen is that nkofo no bebre ya na ebimokrasi and momo so ontua form sika owia na afi wa kohwehwe Express Group no wa hu yen website no wa pick your number afre
san wo hu say
enye yen inti ye kan so say your office obani yesi ye boa with whether a student visa, visitors visa, work visa. Yen kan jiro say to your form ka e be 100 cedis 500 cedis and sana ya give details be start say you know starting no straight away.
Sompa Sports.
Ya pese amount for channel so sa edema yen say yen your company the Express Group yen je form sika ewo phone so yenje form sika yenga se fill form kra ansana ye no start here we no be start here no oba office ni one on one e no kasa wia ansana ya start aye bibia e wo se ye
timonhye no nso mu a mo be se mo tu kwan so ye nurse no ye midwife school ni obe so kwana wonya scholarship e wo Canada UK nom ene nkura kan wo se okono bi ma e bi a fancy express no ojewa watwi wadi ko seze kroma no bia yehye
yes
bia yehye into express group aha my numbers ni bi
okay nti ene me number e be tu dwan e 0249
0249
000 448 afi 0531 91
7650 okay. Yes, subim here pa.
And your numbers no 0249 000 448 0531 91 7650
okay. You better say opening. Yes, nti Express Group empen for eno no frɛ kɔ hɔ eno mo ntena na eno mo yen hyehyɛ na unzampa mo de ye nepa egu akwam ediama. Yes, ye kwaba na mom 21st clinic say yen kan cho say Europe tour ebaso Europe tour ebaso nti em say Ghana for na mo ama no ne mo Europe especially mo sciatic nerves aka no ho yade nti maka kunyom makampa muntimi nkodwuma na nka mbese monye scam man nti sa wo abusuani bi e wo Europe no ka cho se be na chika se ye ne ya ama wontimi nkodwuma cha se ntini na e free na chika se no e ba ne to ase ne siram ne nan kokom ne nan tu no se mutwitwi na mututu no ama dompe na wo na chi ne ba ko one shift ama and the pressure out on the nerves ne so a and wetimi so 95 etimi so 9 benkum etimi so ne mienu nyina so bom ya de 21st clinic by European tour inti ya beto odi send a WhatsApp voice note and also pass send a WhatsApp message and also penso a WhatsApp call krano friend via WhatsApp number no is 0244 915116 0244 915116 ani yankasa pipia be fine obeso agina na so akwadwuma sanya sika mane wo fie because efia ye hye mansa ni ama yewu yenko break ni me ba na ya ba beto aso yenko na real quick ye buy be fie
Wana metesa wo ba no se wo Canada.
Oh, woko suku.
Na yesi ajape aba no nso okọ na nso no de okoye adwuma.
Me say, amanfo akọ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwa na de won kosa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say a visit and now turn so we call Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa what they call say ya juma so what they call Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. As a full labor runabout and crying Kanachi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my bebre so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Eyadro say emani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time time ebedwaso no wono a and the time herbal mixture e dia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akra nufuo enso enum bi time herbal mixture wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time herbal mixture e yedro say FDA age edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey ya moku hu Ashford Princess and obra ko dudie no so Ashford Galaxy wo die na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and na uma media no so Ashford Friendly
that Ashford toothbrush
my dear Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear papa moto ne to me ba udodomi ye dane bia akwahihye ho Ashford Prince Ashford Princess Ashford Friendly Ashford Evident Ashford Executive ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes Fibo Ventures na akofa bedwaso etu phone 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934 Ashford toothbrushes they will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag me.
Brother, and not to you.
What time about me? See about Queen Wayne say.
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy fear for any idea about ever so.
Maybe I know this offending now.
Bra, some make us a the time about Mr. Huadancia. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mr.
I never go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear to me and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a GD malaria be answer.
I also time near TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziva, a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers.
Any herbal shop to namu
FDA agi ejwadien kratoi atom.
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hie pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratoe mu agiatum
Efiewuranom mo fam asomfa mekakra na enje sama bakrom mo amodan ho papai mo ensuoso no nom fam no amehwo nyina efrofro any leakages ahodo eham wo mu fie iPon2 contractors added the polystyrene insulation aba eno na babua medan na papai no ene ensu a enu nom dan ho amehwo nyina efrofro no eto nyina betwa iPon2 contractors say so what to blocks na wia enhia so be plaster kra bi omo wo fiber cement plastering mortar ye dey fa dan ho nyina enhia so be to cement ontwa anwia na wonhia painting so esansa iPon2 contractors at the fiber cement plastering mortar no efa ho wia ebe te said ya painting dan na wiempo enti dan ho be ya so na ha fefefe iPon2 contractors ama sese de ne ma yefo e de ma fie wuranom ne bo nso da fom na efe wo de your dan so echem fie pi na emfa ehyew bia so e ma dem iPon2 contractors aye expert in construction interior and exterior decorations e wo fie ahodo nyinem de hia ni so be from 0555 118-684. Shishayan.
Ewa Abrepo Junction, ship mu a ben JP filling station.
iPon2 contractors wo we die. Enso bia no nom ye dan biem. Na dan ni nyina so be ye fafi bo. So wope wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wope wallpapers decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye paps ahodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper de do juma biano. OP wallpapers Efro. Yama wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. Ebana bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mar shapes. Colors ahodo nina. Ubenya biato ewana soye ho. Se ope LED backlight above flash screen chia and also OP ebe mobi. So ope selfie ring lights outdo phone beshim. OP wallpapers and ebe ma selfie ring lights. OP ewo Kumasi Doom first floor. Nana Kwesi Ajman building name. Tafo GNTC building first floor. Ana Chronom or barrier on the market and edian mche. So open wholesale and answer retail. Any OP any insa so. Free OP our 0540353750.
Mama kwa baba Gentleman Dental. Gentleman Dental Clinic yedwumadi ayedi ane say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa ne ntoma pa efi. Wo fix one no anase yetafre no permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu dim eno ene yefe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na yefe no scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebabu na no oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho. Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down do me kwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so ho a anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction total filling station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free total filling station na yabron san na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memeda wetini afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582.
Efuna adwuma we ye bro ta last week me so ba ko sa na tu aka me sem ya the boss na ba you Boss! Bloody no nguyo. Onguye. Nipa ni nguye.
Biasa.
Ele pa me fa de to na ma.
Ko fabla. So ni me biesi.
Minim. Ye na ini.
Polo shirts, round neck shirts, golf shirts, V-neck shirts, any P or permit to form between Kogu on stores, any boutiques, and tea. So also near Juma, but pretty cotton, on Tisomount, churches, fan clubs, schools, unions, any Ethiopia, Munia the Dono, and the Mamu members, no, any students, no, Mumra, Monso, Mope Friday way, and the Mamu workers, Bafu Polo, I came, our gold package, and on Tadano, SMO Dream, silver package, SMO Dunum, and a bronze, and the same or yet delivery. Echo Mama Fanaba Bia, Bafu Polo and Tadano, so yes, Echo Bia, now a Pamama, any member Nina, Bafu Polo, and Kumasa in the mouth of Cobain, Santasin of Wasaqanaso, telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and so you're at Bafu Polo. Me say, so we say Bafu Polo dia. Oh, and you know one selfie.
The Parliament of Ghana presents the Maiden Democracy Cup match between Accra Hearts of Oak and Asante Kotoko. Also featuring Parliament 11 and ex-Black Stars players led by Stephen Appiah. Date, July 17, 2024 at 3 p.m. at the Accra Sports Stadium. Rate, popular stand 20 cedis, upper and lower VIP 50 cedis, VVIP 100 cedis. Partners, Ministry of Youth and Sports, France Embassy in Ghana, GFA, Beyond the Return, Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. Sponsors, GCB Bank, Bethel Logistics, Ghana Gas, GNPC, ADB Bank, BCM Ghana, Stellan Automotive, Goyle, NPA, Zoom Lion, Interplus, Anglo Gold Ashanti, KGL, NLA, Wembley, Shippers Authority, NHIS, Petrosol, World Vision, Azar.
Okay. Yes, Yemrefe na fe Yemetu Asuna Luta Emfa a locals no and so brain. Now Kulun Ghana Limited a man mumpe Araba Bazen tablet a drone B and nenum and ya essence a tab and one so din so and so a fat word drew a bebwa ama menstrual a pain so bosume so waya si dwan wo bon sano sama juma kra wontimi nkobi adwuma yi and e bi no wonya bi nsuna se bia bosume ba besuna na wotwe na nsiane na fo wo be dafia ye you DNA intimisrawo bomodian so benya Araba Bazen tablet ni bi anam na boama irregular menstrual flow and after menstrual aye disorders NHS yawa wotini nyina no eno e wo say jai afei one bema so hyiam wonu kunu adampa so dabia wo de no ya jai ana wo ka wush na tobo asemasa e basa wo ma bema short atiako e basa nso a e be ha adwempesa se ne nkwadana ba no e bi nwa mo ho sa tese ba kokwa di aye okunu nsema be ha adwempa ntimi so siesie huye na ma bema no nyi e wompem se de be ya enkonkofa asem bia enso emma bema so sexual weakness I will say we every home any kwan so gene oba wo slow erection wo low libido wo severe waist pain so any time afa just modern bo akwa bibia ho affecting an nyina no wa drone eye Mr. Kill enso na beboa se wo dwon so rough wo dwon so wote yaw e wo bema wo ye bema obeso bo prostate enso ho ban a drone eye hunchu capsules and beboa pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops ni nyina mo no number no eye 0244 275429 0206 271016 Afe Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited and for saying Wambaje work visa amount a business visa and a simple student visa and a wope permanent resident visa and a simple open here can say Momo Besamo call Canada, US, Australia a Schengen visa in or more else abaje a day amount now a jumephobia send nurse send midwives and where your pharmacist a fee where your lab technician and a simple where your crony say be our teacher where your banker where your construction worker where your general just a libra phone in ano ya demo ebe ko amma kwa ya adwuma ma sikasem enso aye kama na obehu omo enso awo sofa line aye soldiers no second gate on my pay number is 0539 588766 0539 899915 number phone and Joe so a crutch trains was say on the bed Jew kama na uber so pam kaftan makacho so promo ne guso ekoso and buy 5 get 1 free kaftan a vest a wom yama political suit yama 3 pieces and a casual west ni na no a crutch trains and a be show kama program bia to mission atade and so the kwase wedding engagement parties no and just a date awoni na no and so ayo crutch trains and so adaroma or suya boa junction or snit flat at you on my pay 0244 074367 and a Boris Beef chicken or say young canchos or no and a bemo coconam archer say come a halal and into Momo Piane restaurant for chop bar for nature as a fast food we saw your piano will fear say be our young quine papa b and a simple stew and I saw your food chicken or chicken wings and in chest and a tie gizzard any akukon parts be akabiano obenya b ato our Boris B and chain to be our poku trading a doom SG more our top pie and I feel Bantama High Street anymore when they are presby sorry a D and share 0544 44 4453 now the Boris B and Casaluta say BBI find here
fancy nyame adom now swear
yes BBI find now no Wednesday 17th and just a democracy camp and a basso a one crime now gate popular stand I 20 Ghana just a upper and lower VIP I 50 Ghana and I feel VIP I 100 Ghana now catching razor basso and then I say MPs na masa when your parliament house
Shadrach Mame ex Black Stars players for most squad in
your parliament house and your baba yeah but remember do most stone born yet the one yet what's it say masa MPs no bomb
video bi
say
speaker pa sa on style of right back na nkumusu aye no
masa
speaker so general right back
more 20 minutes me na me come 20 minutes
na say one stars players
mo be na as a former players na almost said
Black Stars squad
Barca dey man 2011
na players no ma retire as o ma mi parliamentarians na
so who squad o yama show
Fatal Dauda Opokunti Sam Johnson Stephen Bedu John Mensah John Pencil Stephen Appiah Ajiman Badu, Sika Kono, Mohamed Gago, Derek Boateng, my young guy from Paul Manson, Emmanuel Ama, Kwame Ayu. Hey! Anyone and I the team person no.
I'm say
Kwame Ayu, Godwin Atram, Augustine Ahemfo, Sule Muntari, Laie Kingston, Ibrahim Tanko na Afododu. Hey! But Oko Parliamentar, Honorable Chairman sir. Oh. Team no.
Na team are 4 central defenders.
MPs no be sure why.
Lateral defender, chairman lateral defender.
Now obi more 3 back. One then lateral defender.
4 central defenders.
We inverted fullbacks and I say inverted wingers no we. Drew one abu.
Masa
parliament one abom 6. One abom 8. One abom 9. Community.
Masa. Me bet so parliament abom 6. Aduma Badu na.
Ono bom masa press up. Unim press up pull ups no. But bom masa pull ups.
Me nwanwa.
Ode
Ona bu chairman senguma ni ase. Napo
onyade
masa napo ofri bench ba napo free bench ba na Haruna Idrisu
mamo nye juo mo so no wani
Haruna Idrisu
mo be no ma show mo 12 mo be no ma je 10
me say ex Black Stars players to me share parliamentarians na 3 kura na mi ankasa me kwa hwe players na choma de omunu bobo
Luther your stories new
na twin no mu di no na mebaso na watcha so ha na Ajiman Badu eka ex Black Stars players no ho eni ebusa Ajiman Badu say omaye ready for democracy camp Wednesday and then awotwe e basuna na yentesma Ajiman Badu editu yanim
I ready na yempanyfo na ya vote mo no e pese ye ne omoye bibi say em say animunya share ma ye nyina na I'm saying 30 years of democracy. Now, yenya boni biata now. Now, and by force you may be here. I'm saying I said you. And we are ready. As we training here, na yet fit ba. Na yami admire na our tree. Best almost say yes. We are more park so. And best movie almost on say, but yes, we are ready for them. It will be a very fantastic and fun. Nti they say by for be here on to almost affair. Na yeso ye ba ye na de ho abegim na de na yefe.
Okay. Ajiman Badu kan sawie na say na wonte say parliamentarians na preparation na omu di training ebi kure di metal sankasa na mo ex Black Stars players no mo so mu ye training na mo preparation say na city e.
Na you place you kure na we a lot of Okunti na me papa honorable chairman say obese ya me and I just want to training with Dubai ba na ye the next week they go come for best 4 days and send you sure mo enti yenim ba bia mofa e bia na referee no omde kofa no say omde kofa no some say they are fine apart from that there 11 against 11 there minia nyame yɛ adoma next week bɔ no bɛkɔ awie deɛ na yɛ deɛ ɔmɔti kɔ aka fam yɛ mpanyinfoɔ no but we ko ade ɔmɔti aseɛ ma yɛ adwuma ɛbɛkyerɛ mo sɛ peace no ɔhɛ yɛ adwuma yesu yɛduru baabi a ɔmbɛtumi abitie by park no so deɛ nyame yɛ adoma next week democracy cup no win no ɛbɛba ma former blaster players
Ajimabadu kasa Ajimawo kasa ɛyɛ atobo na wo kasa dodo na Ajimabadu wie no say obɛfrɛ fans no ɛsɛ fans no yɛmra yɛmɛta wo machi
me na mesu da wase na ha momra me hwɛ bi because ade a bɛboa wohwɛ countries yɛ atwa yɛ ho ahyia because of political chaos into wohwɛ nneɛma isisi wɔ na nyame aboa 30 years of democracy ntimi anya problem bia nneɛma yɛ kɔ so sɛ yɛma ɛsɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛde yɛ ho hyɛm ne yɛbɛboa na mbɛ witness ne ɛkɔ so na ɔmmɔhwɛ players na wɔbɔ de opoko ntini other players no ɔmbɛhwɛ ɔmo tab na bo a ɔmo bɔ nti yɛn nyinaa yɛfa yɛn ho gyim na nyame adoma ne so
sesi akra afe na parliamentarians ne de ɔmo DMB dia ba muntaka ɔnabo muntaka asawase
ompiabo da
ɛna bawa adwira empini bawa na wonya sanjananja ɛwɔ hɔ oh my goodness team ni ye ɔnabo adutwum so wɔ hɔ guys na yanko Black Queens aso already they two anim ɛsɛ ɔmo pemo Japan on Saturday ɔmo bɔ game against Japan national team a friendly game and ɔmo bɔ na Black Queens no ɛkɔ pemo Japan no ɛwɔ Kanazawa ɔmo ɔmo first training ɔmo prepare for friendly game nyame pa Saturday ebetuma to da Nora Hotel ɛna ne mabɔ ne edi nkɔmɔhwɛ Doris Buadua Evelyn Badu Mukarama mo a ɔmo nyinaa yɛ boys ɔmo bɛyɛ adwuma bia fine na yenwura mi nhwɛ current state of Accra Hearts of Folk omu training grounds of Pobimai why you come up papa so johnny about Pobimai Sports Complex said the any update in the bro juma mu channel no mo edi guna kwam no phobia ye togbe afete the 14th ene na pamfo na de no me guna kwam sa no na wo hwa nya daje pa mi wi hase de na mi beyi bibi so de akyerɛw no Sompa nye danta de sika kokɔ ɛba no Pobimai na wo hwɛ sa no ma me background no kakra na sa nwom no mo bu
asifobia
no phobia no Pobimai Sports Complex so far normal togbe affected the 14th and na pam for mo edi guna kwam no yanko doma mami the current state of Doma Youth Center former sports minister onmonyamfo Isaac Kwame Siama ehase no me pacho de na yese ultramodern yes sports facilities no mo de ekokoko na yenhwe na me yente nipa na okotwae no nsama na didi akire
ewo Doma Hinkro entrance ni ene Doma FM Sports ya bonsra say wo Doma ide eseba ye be hwe project a ekosoro na entrance ni na entrance mpo na hu nwurai afifin de me use enya okay ewuram youth center no ani siwon no nti no enche yenam ho a yekɔ Doma Youth Center na we facilities e wo hanma na hwe mfuya na ha adweye papa akyire ni we picture park na akyire ni ya to onyina fa ho kama to afa ho kama pa park na da Youth Center da ho no akyire ni my trauma
we nan kaka hwe bi no ma wie o na mame babia na ye bushi no babia se ye ko forota wo mu no fe no mame eno enie masa chene pa forota bon se ne di jana to ha ya bobede wa ha we eye Doma Youth Center aban ye se o sidiama Doma man no honorable Isaac Kwame Siama former sports minister ene chance ye the meeting se current sports minister minim so buy mpo wakwa kwahwa dia the state say Doma Youth Center na tie no ene ye de amamu no na yengrom ne hwe Asante Kotoko omu player ye fe no Emmanuel Antwi no obodma Great Olympics boy we power jersey number 10 na so gina bom a mu ye defenders 10 obem ho adwuma nyame adom Kotoko enya wie no edina ba ogum nsanu adwuma ogum beye ogum aye waya wie we Emmanuel Antwi omo pa no ntoma omo mveli no nura said the two anim say no no pa no touch it down e okumase na okokwa ni medicals ewie bibia na so hwe kwan Kotoko e fa so mveli Emmanuel Antwi a na me pacho no manyina efe no manyina dana kwama na omo mveli ni wie no ene abusa no so oh na wababa Kotoko player say en wo sifili.
Very happy to be here, honestly. This is a dream come true. It's been years now. I've always, dreamt to, join this club like crazy. And today I've had the opportunity to be here, so I'm really happy. I've had a lot of, clubs, chasing my signature. But I had a discussion with management and we all agreed to, join Asante Kotoko. So basically that's it. I started supporting Asante Kotoko when I was growing up. Because growing up at my young age, it's been a team that I've been really following.
And no, Emmanuel Antwi, Kotoko new player on my sign no. I'm part one to the no cabinet room. Now share a crop here, Kumasa Asante Kotoko. Now share and crew my Jenny Tima. Wabe Johnny any Jenny Zil no was so. Now what you know say deal near Shasa say a crop a deal fast wa and Wabe Kotoko play.
Yeah, we've been talking for a while now. He called me at the end of the season when the season was about to end. Yeah, that's when he started calling me for me. He told me he wanted me to join the club as soon as possible. And asked me if I'm interested. I was like, yeah, I'm interested to do so. If the chance is there, why not? I'll just come in.
And the democracy capui. Kai Kotoko on Besheki Accra Sports Stadium. And then our trainer Emmanuel says so your Kotoko player supporters no. Omo Atamu Kuchu, Omu Tio, special message by and Adma Kotoko fans.
I'll say, I'm here to serve the supporters. I'm here to serve the supporters, to give them what they want, and to achieve my goals. So I'm always ready. I will say this thing in G, but I say, understand, do what they love, and make sure sincere. I'll make them proud.
And Yima Sompa way, and market to your pa, to Kotoko, the awesome ya. Almost more Ketua papa. Na be fine. Na young rum near fan to him say, Kofi Manu Blue Boy. And also, any team coming and say, oh, Ghana Premier League season and Anwada, a banner 2023-2024 season. Blue Boy, say, and who your season,
Seriously, in the year 2024, and I said 2023-2024 league season, now okay, we are semi-ACC na stories ayeti, and it is not the best, but media, I think that I was saying improve in all, I say player, I say performance, technical performance, and more especially, your friend is apart for no referees no performance. And to be candid, this canker abaninti I'm a league, sometimes now because of the
and you somebody to do and our sets of folk management, and a Kotoko message or the Bemabuni.
That issue of it is a house of folk in Tinayeda or Beshe, it is Kotoko no in the football now, any even England, it seems like Leeds United. Actually, those days, Leeds United is stronger. Manchester United need that control over the league again. So I will say, Bibia Assassin, and it is not about a name. I see, say, the management of House of Folk now, no question mark. Because Benyama Yano, I mean, who is it in House of Folk now? House of Folk, Pia. Say House of Folk, you know.
And you and some Kofi Manu Blue Boy, Eddie Tujadima, young Ramwo, former summer test or captain Emmanuel Kayeke. the time ka so former ni nyina no so wurama owurama Tanzania akwasan edematima ye fa ne Singida Black Stars a 3-year deal and Emmanuel Kayeke akwasan de amamo no akrobo game ede ema abra no mo ball eye cap a game bi na former Kotoko left back ye fa Imoro Ibrahim ono so the same team ya sign on RSC bia ebe koye omo prepare omo team no ama bia so ya fine eno ede ba ye de coach Nurundin Amadou Samates head coach and ebe say coach to Samates mo wram ewo CAF Champions League mo no maji Ghana League no na mo kwa koduro so money zone ye ko akoduro FC ye pese ye duro na Samates enya sika
ye hu ne say Samates enkonko adetuna
na be yan adetuna mes ye be qualify to group stages inshallah
o check Sompa ye camera markers am qualify to the group
stages yeah qualify ko group stages be yeska until a motivation my na players no so mbanya market na omatu na kwa abuchi na omako bobo me de bia me ka kire omo ye be we ni me ka kire omo masa obobo ni ye a obre o ko be a within one season kwa obre nyina asa
enu yensema Samates head coach Nurundin Amadou ade to dwadema na John Dramani Mahama na no Sunday on Central Foshiae edidi nkomo bebre ene yem say about 24-hour economy na former president Ode Basa onya kwenya esabe Ghana mpanyini biema emfa so bay na sports ebenya 24-hour economy ne so.
And so I do think that as part of the 24-hour economy, sports can play a very good part, and we'll invest in sports facilities and help the people engaged, the private sector engaged in sports facilities, to be able to provide, service at night so that our people can enjoy that service. During the working day, people go to work and things. In the evening, they want to go witness a football match or go witness an athletics meet, and we don't have exactly the facilities to sustain that.
Enu ye de tie fancy ne mom mame mo adophobia baso oba ne bema enne eyo mum yenu nyina birthday omo sa ware ye 20 years ni Mr and Mrs Boafo omo mienu edom birthday enne eno omo ware ye so 20 years ni na bema no eye police chief inspector ewo Takwa regional MTTD we from chief inspector Odonko Abra Dunkwa ho eno de boss yen we no ne ma omo etrinko anti fancy ye nyina so na yen fancy
wo mate me da saluta show no so abia ni ma no la kokon obubulebu o so e obubu ba ache obubulebu so free Ghana ache kra o say o ma biem na ba fo be dey o ba be dey nyame adom bo aduana o si ni vie wie to be dey Mike wo kwa uma wo yemre mo na afie nhwem kakra bre no so ana ya ba be fair course me say
fancy eno e hyen komodi de bi ase na me say enene luta ba beto aso amai abeyi infoni bi ne nyoma bi di akre na it still continues to raise concerns as to how I am paying for no we are accountable to omudumedi omudi. The initiation of youth resource centers and these particular things are minister bidumedie a this sin and so obey sebi obi betina no mo because adwen no dey yes ade na adwen bone adwen because ne here infrastructures meboa it is why na adwen so obey ni nyina ne ba bi obetimi asisi sa anoma we a ana tore bi the question I ask myself near say the kind various places na omo adwen say omo besisi these youth resource centers no due diligence be na omo ye in terms of say community no we na wo ho ye de we ni kwa emma we ni redundant and I say emma facility ni redundant obi be use nipa na obi use no so na de don beba baby a wo de ko no nyoma sei na betimi atumpon ama na boa ama nipa do na aba did they do that? Because there are some places almost see youth resource center we see ya me ameti as a adwene omo de yes ade no na endi nsem fata se wo so motimi ko sisi no ho na ni sem fata som iti o de ko honom sa na there is no serious major activities in terms of sporting stuff because I'm not saying say bi nye your towns ni bi pa but to make sure say facility now wo ye no even the community in terms of its usage will put pressure on you ebe making sure say they will maintain it well ebe bo na wo kroma amanfo ani kura be dey ebe wo hu say a waka bibi no e na chire nkwa na de akwa hihye is it Bono region dey na de call domano
ana omanya no because says area ho
Ashanti region dey na mo de call
to nyina yo mo kwamrika omo
Ashanti region dey na mo de call
nyina hini
iti baby a I'm not saying say what baby am fan show trim say me ka say ukro ni deserve ya na bibisa e man show trim say bia ukro na aba ho ni ntino bi wo issue there bi it's about baby a who place ade na say at least nipa ko ne di bibi tete and I say if there is no progress kan and I say e wo kroma obi ani be wo hu bi na the usage so be wo soro and this is where we find ourselves
tinkunya we nyina da so
enkunya we nyina
na se nkunya no kra no we mu na awodun ma ntete ye o empapa
debi don be bia so mo ye VVIP set it VVIP ni na share glass mu no ko for you ade no mo wi na nsen o mo koye 6 match bi o yi what ma say mo ye 6 match bi o yi say ko for you for ni Eastern region for ni nyina no school for ni be ya ade a o be ye wo ho unya team obeba Premier League a
obetimi abo no ti rubber seat ni dey papai
and
samom
dressing room it's dressing rooms no normally near underground it will run down when we say ya no more dressing rooms now you know here the opportunity I call some time ago any small dressing rooms here can was them no
you know he dey no
better shower good chale eso si wo $4 million project near Janice ano
I spending
invested $4 million
and it means $4 million ni nyina akum but
yenwie no so no ye ja honom ama na efu
Sompa Sports
adenti na oman aye team yes ah me afere aburo so because fancy nobody is accountable for the mistakes he or she does at that particular high level no enye baako enye mienu o den ka resource centers in the crown ma emu be 60% to 70% enye active what am I say ya complete e say o de betimi dey say ebuso ya complete ko for you axim dey no just say untimi mo bo dodo na fancy kali 70% and 80% in active ni can say 20% no e bibi nti ana yenye dey yenye ni mpia but dodo na ni yenye wi and there's a minister on top of it who has not even bothered to make sure say obey pushy for some of these things and make sure say the right things are done. The only man is put for Kodjiska baby.
I'm accountable
for. The only man no. The only man who needs accountability more than Nkofo Edi Jumadi Wija or moment one more mianya.
Mike, na radin hu mo men kan say because na nti mesi Equatorial Guinea ha Equatorial Guinea ha sa de we enkoso da
and I'm say fancy
do you know why because be miampa mo sampa on this rem no wan wi adwuma na wo so ye no
we see MBA o qualify accountability but the other two cry no mutimi mutimi njira obi ko so cry enya bibi papa bi amfa ho but you calling for accountability
e be ya na pro omonsa afa beduru we say e be say innovate ni asan disca now Mike Brem
what the mo pay radio nyoma dodo omonya ho hwe de wa akra ne kra Azuma Nelson Sports Complex in the credit record.
I didn't feel no kumu bi amfasa we am.
Azuma Nelson Sports Complex na kwesi say. Enti president on
Sompa Sports.
Azuma Nelson Sports Complex ne de no crab ben baby a pious enam hajidewe National Youth Authority, excuse me. Eben honum. So what's the difference? It is yesu yenim way it happened in the NDC time. Of course MPP time. Your politicians no munim tricks or play. Obi the bear campaign message. Moto abana mami ameba mehwe se ebewie. So I'm a that how many years in it? How many years? Say it I see the contribution of a Swami magazine to the local economy. Kumasi economy. And then the number of sikane goods and services are a render every day beer. Sa kwan we nya fe na wo sanke me say sumunje irade no omo mo yes omo nkwa sorry mo ya na irade bibia nam de akwhye irade nya de
harvest no nyom ni ya for akese ho
irade onye de ade bibia na irade
ozi annual harvest
nyom ne bo for akese
bibia irade mbehwe ye mpanifo no deliberately do this because one so we ka say an inquisition ye biem ya hwemu a people will be found culpable of one, either misappropriation of funds, two, omanye due diligence, three, the right nyoma else or moye no monye. Enti the best we can do, yebe kasa 1 week, 2 weeks near ye near free so ye baby. It has become part of us. We have become a people who are highly responsible. Obia kan be. Me wo obi o studio, ha obi o ti obi o penyina edi tumi ahya nensa because ya na to aba mo consistently, and when they come omo be rallies na ye be so show up in our numbers ye kofi ani yakosu minim ni pesu a ye say Ghana we are not be so I don't know why the aspect of critical thinking no ye trigger will be a trim nipa kakra bi you see this opa we are king somebody will come up with a beautiful defense and explanation. But be chichim come. Aye adwuma na come. Nti erade nya hwe. Erade no eti umu de wo ye no. Eno na ekoso. Papa na wo ye na be bone. Because of the eti umu. You have the power, you have the right to choose. Erade onye bi munja o mo na omonye de o ebe siwansi wo. Omo pa omonye nsi wasa Africa ya bread me say omo pa omonye nsi wasa nobody will care about nsi wasa na there will definitely be a day of reckoning emrane beso Ghana players na ntina bebre na omo bre no Mike sa story pa do be ntina bebre no a big issue. I pick you, may add value to you because I contribute financially. My platform, my exposure, the enabling environment to shine, you glitter. Akwenya aba wase benyamfa so ho a na oko free. Me nim de nti Ghana players transfers na dodo na no free nkwa. And the players forget that omo value na omo lesson omo tisu. The greed and selfishness oba kwajiska no as a free agent. No wafa. But there is a certain valuation at the also. If you're a player, you move free. I understand it's be down here. I'm telling you for a fact. And then it's not a player with the value, transfer value. It adds something to your career. But your players now for Subi say, I don't know why. Na Samatex ajo wabrananka career no bia nim so want me a lot of the output check every year Ghana Premier League transfers within and outside more pay free pa and mostly any blame clubs and other than money on signing contract. During the contract signing process they are very difficult to deal with, and if someone takes one city he's gone for free in the contract this month. The contract no this month no. I was say anka eba be wu no. Ye no betenance ye be come on. The player should even move. Oh, maybe I'm a person me kwa broche nti bibi sa beba. But the for 1 year being count. But not much the transfer fee but allow me to leave. I am never fail because the wo fra twede na wo hia no. So wo sanes wo mo na wo be hia o. But so Oh, for now, treat you here. So, who's Saniaba? They will hold you firm into a casserole. Sikana Okwajen and Deno. It might affect a lot of relationships. I bet me how in the future. Dear Uzitela Koen and Wabi.
Waba.
Dear Uzitela or Mediama. So please, I'm telling you guys, more than your media grow. You people forget the aspect of goodwill and Yankupo in Shroud.
France, there's also Ben. I've got coaching.
And no one is an American Joanna. Say, please, not some Majaga. And no one can be. Oh, please, not some Namisika, Manasana, Manamandi Majaga. And I have lumped the Isas and Kotoko D. Sompa Sports. Janet, your Kokokunas every. Yeah, Bandy.
The case by Sokoroko Cranny Janet. Yeah. Me cry me out against the legal fees.
Because player say, who bet in one sense, and I could see the Bedia Bubble, so I was against it to there be. The duties are Sanoko, yes, sir. But what Bubbles would know what eventually they won the case for you. But now I'm looking to free and no more match.
Korokonyare.
Oh, Korokonyare. Kayake, woman, no tragedy. You talked about how someone testify do with you. A man penny for John
Kotoko went to me and more.
Went to mammo. Uko free. Kabna Yashi or whom Okwa. And that picture about Bontinria, many name grass or oh. Bia to say ye can't somebody for one I be say by a bless no corner or would be more 3 years crowd bonting. Omo bono ma ba opa yen hwe ye bless no kwa bonting 2 years ko wunti mini o mesamba ba be ban teams be na beje wo nti bless ne de o masam de wo kan obeka kan na asam na saba be hwe ba yen kantre obi biara o hwe kotoko social media ne ho ahwane so no there are certain things they shouldn't do I play another no mo to be busy. Fans where Kotoko a brand oh. Kotoko a brand. Shadrack may sa video no. What are say Emmanuel Anchi? Na se dia yon siso anani anim se be on velino. Fe de we atade na ye. Hwe wo de hwe. Asando Kotoko a brand oh. O to so adan na be ye. To so na nya fe brand wo ye interview kama.
Sompa Sports.
As I don't go to nice way interviews we no more no. Say backdrop no be omunya backdrop ni. And a Chelsea money teams na yen who more interview me interviews. So I also be no sinking things so be ya na ye ni. And yes I so ye ntibia na wo ye ne sa. So yes I am one.
I can't say tonight so more boys no.
And make no.
Because from the means minimum boys no more social media and promote trauma very best.
Do omo one no dey here.
No more the koto or cross be a cameras no makra and buy.
Am I?
Meanwhile, YouTube no so fetch ya.
Fetch is my whole series of times I want say back mo do omo phones na ye videos near there.
To say Chelsea momo ya now we dey share ko YouTube won say be a Chelsea no yi to say last season. No goals omo share life. And only views or saying ya.
Club policy.
I policy. Me blame guys almost social.
I'm not blaming the guys.
Yes, I me camera na Maya.
No. But so munya sika free YouTube ni mu dia. Mu invest says Ghana back in the YouTube. Social media never sika mamo. Ye mpani phone ye nipa bonefo. We nya service.
Yeah, we dey jaw mo na bro.
For my imagine so me dia bro. Because but we want to see stadiums na nyo from the map town hall to Hano.
France, my family.
But fuck
my family course. Well, talk about my cast, so Kalu, Techcast TV, YouTube, Diana, Jumano, Amanio, my BC Basso, born Mount Twine, Topia, Cream Pia, never be a Sian, see October Semumbra, Joseph Fijasi Boom Hospital Junction, 0244 48 4747. My main family course, 0551 931 0548 931 Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Opening yet you didn't baby I say free.
Hello.
Opening yet you can say it you.
My phone has my Johnny baby.
Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning now.
Adam, yet you.
Well,
hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yes,
It's you.
No my fault. Marriage, my one taking there. And my mother bought me the sensitive and they are no so. Program one to this obviously a kind. You pack a bubble. But for you, not to we are not going to the career. Both more more create what we see. And this is our day. Not maybe one hour. There are no more.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir. You're first.